So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2021 Toyota Venza, and I wanted to take some time to showcase how to swap out the battery in your key fob should it go bad. So first off, most importantly, grab your Toyota Venza key fob, locate the side that says Venza. You're going to see this little button that has an arrow pointing this way, and what you're going to do is, it's not a button, it's actually a slider, and you're going to slide it in the direction that arrow is telling you. And what that's going to do is release a manual key right here. So when you slide it over, kind of pull up on this manual key and it will release it. So normally in my videos I tell you to get rid of the manual key, to set it to the side. With Toyotas, it's actually a useful tool. So you can see a little bezeled edge. What you're going to do is you're going to insert that bezeled edge right in the middle of the key, and it's going to kind of be its own key. Stick it like so, and what you're going to do is twist up or down, your preference, and you're basically going to be splitting the key into two halves. It's very easy, there's no brute force needed. Now you can put your manual key to the side, and you can see you can put the button section down and gently kind of drop the basically circuit board out. And what that's going to reveal is a Panasonic CR2450 battery. Now I'll put a link in the description below should you need a battery. The cheapest way to get it is Amazon, so I'll put it in the Amazon link below. So pretend you need to swap this out, which I do not. If you do, just easily grab it from right here and just flick it out. When you put your battery back in, try not to touch the opposite side of the text, because the oils from your finger can kind of diminish the lifespan of the battery. So let's pretend I flipped it out, which I do not need to do. Put it back in, and basically do the opposite of what you're doing. Gently put the circuit board piece back in, grab the buttons. Well, really the buttons are there, these are just the external buttons. I will say when you're clamming it back together, I always try to warn, try not to push the hold button and freak out your neighbors. Clam it back together, should go real easy. Don't forget to slide your manual key back in. You should hear a click, and you are good to go. You will not have to code the key to your car or anything like that. You were just simply swapping out the battery. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching.